Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to build a complete workflow system by combining Perplexity AI with other AI tools? Let me show you how. First, understand the research to creation flow. Use Perplexity for fast research with citations. Then use ChatGPT or Claude to draft content from that research. This split gives you accurate sources plus strong writing. For example, research a topic in Perplexity, then copy the answer into ChatGPT and ask it to write a script or blog post in your brand voice. For automation, integrate Perplexity with an 8N Make or Zapier setup, a workflow where Perplexity research runs weekly and results are sent to Notion or Slack automatically. If you use Claude Code, you can add Perplexity as an MCP server using Composio. This lets Claude run Perplexity searches directly from your terminal. Perplexity Computer now runs on Mac and can orchestrate multiple models like Claude and Gemini together to complete complex tasks. Save your Perplexity conversations by using an export tool like AI Exporter Hub to push them to Notion or Obsidian as markdown files. And that is it. Perplexity for research plus another tool for creation gives you a powerful workflow system. If you combine tools, let me know your stack in the comments. See you in the next one.